Do you know what these are? Yes, they're magnets. But what exactly are they and why are they so powerful? Stick around because today we're going to learn how magnets work and you might be surprised by some cool facts. Welcome back to Learn Smart, your place for fun and easy learning. If you've ever used a fridge magnet or played with a compass, you've already encountered the power of magnets. But how do they actually work? What makes them so special? Let's find out together. Today we're going to learn about magnets, the invisible force that makes them stick pull and do amazing things. Magnets are made of metal, usually iron or steel. They create an invisible force called magnetism, and the area around them is called the magnetic field. Magnets have two ends, a north pole and a south pole. Want to know a secret? The north and south poles always attract each other. But what happens if you try to bring two north poles together or two south poles? Try it out and you'll see they push away from each other. That's called repelling. But when you mix a north pole and a south pole, they stick together. Pretty cool, right? Magnets come in three types. One, temporary magnets. These become magnets only when near another magnet. For example, when you rub a magnet on a nail. Two, permanent magnets. These magnets are always magnetic. Three, electromagnets. These are made by passing electricity through a wire. They're powerful and you can turn them on or off. They're used in machines like MRIs and even in computers. Here's something super interesting. The Earth itself is a giant magnet. The core of the Earth, made of iron and nickel, creates a magnetic field that surrounds our planet. So Earth is like one big magnets are everywhere. Now you know how they work and you can spot them in everyday life. They're used in speakers, phones, motors, and even in recycling centers. You might not always see them, but they're always there making things work.